Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G21, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So let's just press up or down volume button, and after that here we'll see the bell icon. Just tap to the bell icon twice, and now our calls and notifications, they will be muted. This means that we just activate a silent mode on our device. If you want to turn off this feature, if you want to turn off the silent mode, you should press again here on the one from the volume buttons and click once again on the bell icon. Now we can see that our calls and notifications, they will ring. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.